Madam, sir person. Thank you, madam, for giving me the opportunity to speak few lines. Okay. Sir, madam, I am newcomer in this August house, but I was a member of Assam Legislative Assembly since 1985.
Continue. 8 times MLA.
Actually, I was MLA for 38 years, 6 months, and now I am an MP.
Manibhushan Chaudhary.
Sir, madam, I must support the budget which was placed by Honorable Finance Minister, and regarding this budget, I must quote one line from the budget.
AGP.
I quote, Assam grapples with flood every year by the Brahmaputra River and its tributaries originating outside India. We will provide assistance to Assam for flood management and related projects. In this regard, I want to say something regarding floods of Assam, floods and erosion of Assam. Madam, the geographical area of Assam is 78,438 square kilometer. Out of this 78,438 square kilometer, flood-prone area is 31,500 square kilometer. That is 39.5% of total land of Assam is flood-prone area. Madam, if we go to the national statistics, the flood-prone area of Assam is 4 times the national mark of the flood-prone area of the country. Record shows that the average annual area affected by flood is 9.31 lakh hectare. The flood protected area of the state is 1,500 square kilometer till date.